how to allow all cookies on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to allow or turn on cookies on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on settings. Now click on the second option, which is cookies, and click on allow cookies, and now sites will work normally. You can choose another choice or choose allow cookies wherever you want. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.